गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। हम लोग द रोड नॉट टेकन का मैंने शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर एंड लॉन्ग टाइप और पैरावाइज क्वेश्चन वीडियो में डाल दिए। हम लोग अब द रोड नॉट टेकन पोएम का एक्सरसाइज करते हैं जो कि बुक में दिया हुआ है, थिंकिंग अबाउट द पोएम। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है हमारा, वेयर डज द पोएट फाइंड हिमसेल्फ, व्हाट प्रॉब्लम डज ही फेस। आंसर, द ट्रैवलर इज एट सच अ स्पॉट in a forest where two roads diverge. He is now in total confusion and not able to decide which road he should choose. Fourth, second question is, discuss what these phrases mean to you. First, a yellow wood. Answer, a forest in the autumn season. Second, it was grassy and wanted wear. Answer, the road was grassy because it was a less traveled road. It wanted people to move on it. Third, the passing there. Answer, it implies walking on the road. Fourth, leaves no step had trodden black. Answer, it means the leaves had not been crushed under the feet of travelers. Fifth, how many leads on two-way? Answer, how one road leads to another. Third question, is there any difference between the two roads as the poet describes them? First, in stanzas 2 and 3, the two roads are symbolic of two similar choices in life. In both the stanzas, roads are covered with leaves and seem equally attractive, but the second one was little grassy and less traveled road than the first one. Second, in the last two lines of the poem, answer, the poet preferred the second to the first road, which made all the difference in the poet's life. Fourth, what do you think the last two lines of the poem mean? Looking back, does the poet regret his choice or accept it? Answer, the reader can easily understood that the poet regrets his choice. He took the second road that was less traveled and very challenging one and made all the difference in his life. Second first, have you ever had to make a difficult choice, or do you think you will have difficult choices to make? How will you make the choice? For what reason? Answer, such situations occur in everyone's life in today's world. People have numerous alternatives, but the decision should be taken after considering all the ins and outs of the situation. We must ruminate over the disadvantages also. Second, after you have made a choice, do you always think about what might have been, or do you accept the reality? Answer, one should live in the present and not in the past. The philosophy of is the key to attaining success. Life is not a bed of roses. Its hurdles are to be crossed bravely. One must not feel numerous and get dejected in the trying circumstances. On some instances, one needs to be confident about the choice she makes. Thank you, children. Please like, subscribe my channel and मैं next video में next chapter डालूँगी. Thank you, children, once again. And please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please.